So me remember one time, my day at work, my son mother called me. I say, yo, what going? She say, yo, your son just said something to me, the weirdest thing. I say, what you talking about? Him say, yo, him want a husband. I say,
yo, tell them, man a man, so me no friend fish. Tell them I take black bullet, me take kill and fish.
Up and running, back to regular operation, though. Man, as I respect to the loyal subscriber them, big up to the new ones them, and what? Big up to the viewers them. So me remember one time, my day at work, hear that I get a call. My son mother called me. I say, yo, what going? She say, yo, your son just said something to me, the weirdest thing. I say, what you talking about? Him say, yo, him want a husband.
Yo!
What you say? She say, yo, him want a husband and I don't know what to do. So I say, yo, where my watch? Cause, you know what? 3 them time there, you must 3 them time and you don't know him have the tablet. So, as me telling you, you know, as parents, you know, we 10 for 1, left the youth them with the tablet and we don't know what them a watch. We don't know nothing. We just have them watch them tablet and we on our phone or we there with girl yard or we do something. And we don't know what the youth really a watch. Although them so for monitor them, but we don't know what them. Sometimes we monitor them, but we know what them a watch, but me telling you, we don't know what them body gang do gang a push na the youth them face behind our back. But anyway, she said that to me, you know, and I said, rotted. What we are going to do? Where am I talk about? She said, yo, she don't know where am I talk about. Him just say, yo, mommy, I want a husband, I want a husband. You see me? So I say, yo, mama talk to you. I say, yo, my youth, what go on? I say, daddy, I want a husband. I say, dog, I don't know what to do as a parent. So, I stay so, man, I got the call and it just palm my brain. I say, yo, Bumbo class, what is for me star? Me youth a 3 and this my deal. What go on, you see me? His mother link me back and I say, yo, I know what man, I find the episode away I watch. And I say, oh, show me and tell me where it go. I show you what him did I watch.
Can't have too many of these.
Ooh, you can be my husband. Hey, no fair, I want a husband too.
Yes, here you go. Same as bingo.
Hello, husband. Hello, my name is Hecuba. Oh, hello, Hecuba. My name's Gerald. I'm going to do some yard work.
So yeah, so for the people who don't know, you see there's something here. Yo, it's funny, you know. A kids thing, you know, but watch this. You see the two dog them, cause me get tricky, you know, before me even did make the talk, you know, me used to see him and watch it, you know. And when me check it out, the 2 dog them are 2 girls, them a sister. But me the thing said the blue dog was a boy, cause his name Blue it. A 2 girl. So when it say, yo, I want a husband, and then the next one say, I want a husband too, my son, I say, yo, mommy, I want a husband too. But it's a thing, you know, see the tie, so we find out say at that time we say, yo, charge it in a name husband dog, it name whatever. We call it Gino or whatever. I think we Google it and say it name a Gino or something like that. So I say a Gino it name. So at that me I show you. We have to they run and the youth them, monitor them and teach them the right. You hear me I tell you? Teach them the right, and at that I gotta set them for the future, man, cause pre no man, if me never did dep on it, or if my woman never dep on it, what you think would have go on? Why if all one of them body show them that I watch and we don't know? You get me I deal with? Yeah, man. So I just realness of the badness I see it, and me I go give you some more story time, cause you see the topic here. It deserve to talk about, because Jamaicans don't really like to talk about them things. I mean, I hear nobody talk about them things. And then things are go on in the culture. Them things are hot in the culture, but nobody don't want to talk about it. Why? Why nobody don't want to talk about it? We have to talk about it, you know, because it's going to fix the youth them from nothing a Kevin Smith. And that's my aim. No Batty Street Road here. Alright people, so don't know, this is a story time. And a story time, yeah, I'm going to teach a parent them say, yo, you have to keep your youth close. Keep your youth close. It's like how you keep your phone close. You have to keep your youth close. Like, you see me I say? For all of the gunman them, you love roll them gun on them belly, you have your youth on your side. Because the story time, yeah, this is going to show you know why I say that. this have to do with me and my youth, you see me? So, me can remember one time, me and my youth. This is when my youth was like, at which age? Him never turned 4 yet. So you know them age, you know, I'm telling you, you know. You see, if you don't know on a pitney, you don't know on a pitney. And know so on the pitney pure, whatever you teach your youth, them I will work with whatever you teach them. But anyway, I stay so boom with my youth, go up on the ends, you see me? And my dog, him have a little family member. I think it's a boy too, you know, but him a like probably 8, 9, round there so. And my youth not reach 4 yet, you see me? But as I say, I have my youth close, so we're up on the ends and a beer pitney did there round, so I tell me youth say, yeah man, you can't go play, you know. So they go around the big kids, man. It's like one of them did a deal him, like, you know? Like I deal him away. Me, and I see me and take with him stick. So my son run come to me and I say, oh daddy, boy, take my stick, you know. And I say, hey, where him there? Over there, so. Like them bad boy style, remember them style when your little brother come check you and I say, yo daddy, yo, the boy keep on body, you know. Yeah, one of them style, man. So I go over them and them see me a father and all of them tearing the place, you see it, but my dog who go link for him little family, 9-year-old family, they are the crew too. So anyway, the day done and thing and we say you want to go up on the block and beat to juice and race. So all of you leave out as one now. So my youth there and the 9-year-old youth there too, you see me? So the little 9-year-old youth now start to show my son respect and love now. So I see him hold him and I walk and them a talk, and you don't know as a parent, as a yard man, you don't know we watch everything, we grill on everything, you see me? So I say me keep my youth close, you know, because my youth now go turn a Kevin Smith, you hear that? So I watch you pray, man, and cross the road and rate it. So I reach on the block now. Anyway, reach on the block fast, so I reach on the block and stay so boom and pour out 2 juice and so I go run to domino and so the bigger youth him have a tablet. My juvenile, my son have a tablet too. But the bigger youth him have more games on the tablet and things. So them say them want power and things. So the dog him have him own bedroom, you see me? The 9-year-old youth have him own bedroom, so I stay so I'm going to the room with them and my daddy and I try to see how the setup stay. So don't know, I see the bed. Them sit down on the bed and don't know, I say, yo, son, you alright? Want to watch a game? What kind of game you want to play? That you not deal with? Alright, boom, cool. Make sure so the door open. See me? Make sure so the door open. Go back in the living room, there they be 2 domino. Boom, now, like 2 minutes or literally 2 minutes after, and I hear my son start cry. Ah, daddy! So I get up now and I see the door push up. So I say, what the fuck? Run and go so boom and kick down like Jackie Chan. You see me? I say, and the youth stay so shuffle up and my son start crying. I say, yo, the bum buckle out of go and I say, yo, no, I was hugging him or something like that, and I say, no dog, red alert, red flag right away, you see me? So I start to feel uncomfortable now, but at the same time, I don't know, I'm a dog family. So I don't really want to come off a certain way, so I try to own my composure, you see it? So right now, no more domino game for my brain, my son have to govern, you know, so. The little youth I say, oh no, I was hugging him and race, and I say, yo, nah man, where am I cry for, you see me? No the tablet you not deal, no game now watch. So I say, yo, you know what? Forward. So when I tell my son forward, my brethren now, I think the mother did say, yo, Lord them man, them good man, I want them to come play the domino games. So I say, yo, you know I say, I don't really want to see him fuck up. But I say, yo, no dog. So I say, yo, alright, I go watch you pray again. So I stay so boom, left the door open, seeing. I'ma stay so alright. Boom. And then I go down and I sit down and like I wait like couple seconds, I look the door push up, I say, nah man, put on damn no. Boom, bust open the door. I see him hand round my youth. I say, yo, the bum, yo, get up off of the man, you hear that? Where you deal with? Oh no, I don't want to hear that. Forward, I just grab up my son, forward. Then my son like, you see, because like them did that, like the game thing kind of draw my attention, the tablet. My son kind of say, yo, daddy, no, daddy, I want to stay. I say, no, you have your tablet, forward, no. You see me, so my son start to cry now, you see me, I say, yo, dog, I want to, you go sit down here, so, and you go play your tablet here, so. You see me? So, people, they feel like, say, yo, I beat up my son. No, brother, I some fish thing, I feel out to go on, dog, and why you hand around my youth, dog. You hear that? That never right. So, I have my son sit down side of me for the rest of the day, right through, you see me, I feel uncomfortable, I not even want to left him, dog. It's like, I just feel away, and I say, yo, John, dog, what if I was one of them parents there, we just not care, we care, boy, oh, let's get drunk, let's get high, let's play domino, and be a blood clot, batty thing and go on in there, and the man fuck up on me, youth, meditation youth, for the future, brother, the man turn all like R. Kelly or a Kevin Smith, dog. You see me, I say, so, brother, I just couldn't allow that. And I try to show you as parents that you want to keep the youth close, brother. You see me, them sleep over thing there, don't do them thing there, you hear that? Always, I must say always have an eye upon your youth. Always. You see me, because the minute you're on an eye, that's when you got fucked up as a parent, you see me? And as I say, society might not can save them. You see me, I say? And that's what the thing said, because I see cousin and I don't see. Me hear about cousin and cousin. Me hear about father and daughter, father and son. One bag of shit, brother. You see me? So you never know. You never know. Just keep your youth close. That's all I say. Keep your youth close, because may I tell you people, it's not an easy thing to be a parent. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. I show you the next thing about being a parent too. Because it's like me enjoy like learning. You see me, I enjoy learning because I say Janu only if the youth them did know, you see me. Alright, pray this now. So one time stay so boom in the house and I have my tight underpants and I say I make a bad boy walk, you see me. Stay so make bad boy walk now. My son him see me in the underpants, you don't know. We are big man on the thing, big now, bulge also. The dog see it and I say, oh, daddy, what's that? I say, oh, shadow dog, I'm a penis. The man say, oh, can I touch it? I say, yo, dog, no. I say, you can't touch it. Man start to cry. And I say, yo, John, what for do? So I go to his mother and I say, yo, he must say, I want to touch my rifle, you know. She say, yo, John, what's that, yo? So I call him and I say, yo, Sonny, come here. You cannot touch people. The man started crying and I said, John, how me I go break it to him, you know? How me I break it to him, you know? I meds. So this one I gotta tell the parents them because of the strategy I me use and it work. Although I like police, you know. You see the authority something that it work. You see me, I'm gonna show you how it work. Every time my son use like I don't know how him know, I guess at the cartoon him watch one little cartoon and it shows say, yo, if you steal, police come for you. So him like your police will come for you if you do something bad. So me call him and say, yo, if you touch somebody, whatever, the police will come for you. And next thing too, I make with girls, like I drill a girl thing in her head to like, yo, you have to smell good, your mouth can't stink, or else the girls are gonna run from you. Certain things I say, yo, if you do that, the girls are gonna run from you. So I use the police thing and I use the girl thing. I'm say, yo, brother, if you touch a next guy thing or what, you see me? Police are gonna come for you and the girls are gonna run from you. And that me use for break it to him. If I never for that, I don't know. I don't know what would I do as a parent. You see it? Cause yo, can't afford for the youth them turn Kevin Smith. You see me, as I say, keep with the youth them close, brother. Watch them, grow with them, observe them and teach them. You see me? Cause if My youth did stay so and see a next man thing a bulge out and just so inquisitive like, oh, can I touch it? It's not a good look, you see me? So anything my youth want to know, I me have to come to. See me? If you want bun weed, I me I go roll up the fattest, hottest grabber spliff give. Me I go put the first big matic in my hand. Once me living man, my youth have to experience everything through me, like as a parent, teaching wise, you hear that? You know the joggings, man. So take a page out of my book. Parents are parents to be. And do the dirt, cause I don't know everything and I learn, I learn the ball game, you know. So if you don't have tips and advice, share it so we can grow and teach you youth them. So yo, so if you do the thing, do not become a Kevin Smith or him 12 disciple, them hear that. But when I don't know, a Positive Street 876, you know the thing go.
Yeah. The way I try to stay positive, and I don't feel the way I living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. When I hear from them, now we not beg none of them. Cause we not look a friend, and we not look a man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. The way I try to stay positive, and I don't feel the way I living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics.